I'm going to review the best humidifier in the market for this year. We may not get a chance to change the price mentioned in the video, but what we can do is we always provide links in the following description of the video from where you will be able to find the update prices of each product mentioned in the description. So if you look for the up-to-date price information, just make sure of watching the video till the end and click on the link to find out the current price and which product will be the best for you. If you feel that our video is quite helpful for you, please don't hesitate to like, share our video, and subscribe to our channel. At number 1, Your Power Essential Oil Diffuser. This product doesn't just increase the humidity in your room, it also gets rid of bad odors that can make an environment uncomfortable for you. It takes liquid in through the alembic, the piece of equipment used for condensation, and heats it until it evaporates. These gases flow through a coil that condenses it back to its liquid form, which is then passed on to the receiving container and diffused into the air. This liquid is not in any way harmful to the health. Instead, it puts sweet savor scent into the atmosphere and makes the surrounding a habitable one for you and your family. Spending the majority of the day in a room with these fragrances will help you remember some old positive memories. It also features a 7-color LED light, which automatically switches off once its oil runs out with adjustable 2 mist settings. And number 2, Pure Enrichment Mist Air. This type of humidifier operates quietly with a drizzly humidifying unit that can hold up to 1.5 liters of liquid and can run up to 16 hours at a stretch at its maximum speed setting, which automatically turns off when the water is low or the water tank is removed. If you desire a sleek design and durable product, you've got no other choice but this product. This product is built to last long over the years, impacting our everyday activities by moisturizing our surroundings and spraying sweet scents into the atmosphere. All necessary accessories like the cleaning brush, its power cable, its mist nozzle, which rotates in all directions, are included in its package. The brand also offers a swift 24-hour customer service that will get that difficulty resolved within a short period. And number 3, Honeywell HCM 350 Watt. This humidifier is a crucial part of good sleep, as it does not just moisturize the atmosphere, it also kills any bacteria present in water before releasing or spraying the water into the air, thus promoting a healthy environment for you and, more importantly, your kids. It is equipped with a patented ultraviolet light technology, which kills up to 99.9% of germs in the liquid that passes through it before discharging it into the atmosphere. So, you are assured that your room is free of bacteria. The disinfected water is then flown in through a filter to a container at the base, which is then emitted into the atmosphere in the form of a smooth visible mist.
Thanks for watching this video. If you have recently bought products and got any experience during purchasing, then you are welcome to share that experience in our comment section. And hit the subscribe button as well as the bell icon to be the first to enjoy the latest video in the future.